Hi everyone, my name is Ayman and this is Foloosi Guide Tutorials, and in this tutorial I will take you step by step how to sign up and create a Foloosi business account. If you want to know more about Foloosi businesses, I would recommend you to click on the video shown on the screen now. It will take you to the first tutorial I made to speak about Foloosi services and the rates and how much it will cost you to open an account. Here we are in Foloosi website, and if you want to make sure your account to be active within 24 to 48 hours, just follow my steps. I will guide you how to do it correctly. Now let's go to www.foloosi.com, click on the sign up icon, and you'll be directed to 3 important stages that you will need to complete. The 3 stages are your business information, uploading your documents, and your bank information. Now let me show you how to complete all 3 stages. Your first stage is your business sign-up information. Please make sure to fill out your first name and last name as the Emirates ID. Your business name should be the company name in your trade license, and your email address should be your working email or your business email to receive notifications from Foloosi. Then you need to fill out your mobile phone number and make sure please that it's a working number. Your address and the city should be inside the UAE, as we do not accept any application from any other country as of now. And the final step is reference code and agree to the terms and conditions. Since you're watching this video, I will be your reference, which is AYMA. Then click next. Since you have completed your first stage, now we are in the second stage to upload your documents. First document you need to upload is your passport ID, the second is your Emirates ID, and the third is your trade license. And of course the passport should be the first page with your image. Your Emirates ID should be both sides in one page. The trade license should be the first page with the company name, the owner name, and the address. Make sure to upload only images, no PDFs, no Word documents, or any kind of other files. Just upload a simple image. When it comes to the Emirates ID, you will need to upload 2 sides, but it has to be in one image. How to do that? I'm just going to show you a sample. Please do the same without damaging the resolution of the picture. This is a sample of 1 picture with 2 sides. Now you have completed 2 stages and you're in the final stage to provide your bank information. Please remember, if you don't know any of those information, get back to your local bank and they will be able to provide you with those information. After completing all those details, just make sure to accept the Emirates dirham to be your currency, and to accept the terms and conditions by clicking on the box, and it will take you to your agreement. Just can go through the agreement, and if you're done reading it, just click to approve the terms and conditions, and then when you finish, just submit. Great job, you have completed all 3 stages. Now you need to wait for 3 emails will come to you. The first email will be a welcome email, the second email your username and password, and in your third email you will find a payment link for the setup fee that you agreed on when you signed the agreement. Now you're ready to go. As soon as you make the payment, you will have full access to your account and you will be able to use Foloosi services.